I have been talking about the dilemma involving the detainees, the criminal defendants in the January 6th case, and I've been harshly critical of Attorney General Merrick Garland. I've lost much of my respect for him. He seems to have fallen into the left wing elites of the Democratic Party. In the January 6th cases, there are many people there who are in jail who have not been charged with a crime. This is a violation of due process. It's a violation of habeas corpus. It's a violation of the Constitution. How this is happening, I don't know. I don't know if these people are represented by lawyers or not. If they are, the lawyers should be appealing this all the way to the Supreme Court. Similarly, people are suffering in solitary confinement in broken down Virginia jails awaiting trial. So everybody should be entitled to bail who was not accused of committing a violent crime. So if the crime is not one of violence, and I don't mean violence against property, I mean violence against another person, they should be presumed to have bail. And no one should be in solitary confinement. Solitary confinement is a form of torture. Solitary confinement should be banned in all jails, much less people who haven't been charged and haven't been convicted. The Attorney General and the prosecutors who work for him need to be reminded that people are innocent until proven guilty. And punishment of the innocent is profoundly unconstitutional and un-American. I don't know where this is going to go. I don't know why it keeps happening. I don't know if appeals have been filed, and I don't know what the appellate courts have done. But if I were one of the lawyers defending one of the January 6th people, and my client was in jail and uncharged, or my client was in solitary and charged with a nonviolent crime. I mean, solitary is usually reserved for people who commit crimes in the jail. But if these defendants are not in that category, if they didn't commit a crime in the jail, if the crime for which they're charged is not one of violence, they are entitled to bail. That is the least that the courts can do. The Attorney General is obviously caught up in the politics of all this, and he shouldn't be. He should be deferential to the president, but independent from the president's politics.